Morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel again. So today we going to deploy MySQL and PhpmyAdmin on the Docker container. So the first thing we need to have is a Docker compose file that we have to prepare the in MySQL and PhpmyAdmin. In the Docker compose MySQL, we need to define the user root, password, database, and the new user that I set up is a user SAR, and this is the password for the SAR user. So we have the couple file is ready. So first thing we need to do the command docker compose and pull to download the image from the Docker hub. So we have docker compose and pull. Okay, and we wait the downloading from the Docker Hub server to our local. Once we have Docker image in our local, we can check here the image that we have been downloaded to our local will be shown in this Docker desktop. So you want to delete or you want to download new, it will be shown in here. Okay, then we wait then make it download complete and we can running the MySQL and PhpmyAdmin just the command. Okay, now we can see one image has been complete download is PhpmyAdmin. Now we will waiting for the MySQL image. Think it take longer. Okay, let's waiting. Okay, now it almost complete. It make size is 246 megabyte. Okay, now we complete download both image. Now we can see in here we have two image. Okay, now we can start up the image. So we type docker compose up and dash d. Up it means we start up the image. Dash d we need the attach the image from the terminal. Okay, and enter. Okay, now our docker is up ready. This is a report for my PhpmyAdmin that we can access to the browser. Okay, in here, so localhost port 8080. We can set it. So the server name is the image name is a db. The db user root, and this is the password of root. The root. Okay, we can log in. Now we can log in successfully, and we can try to create a new DB. So we click on new and new test DB. Create. Okay, now we have the new DB. It's been created. Okay, if we want to stop the service, then we go back to the Docker desktop and check the container, and we can see our tool image is running. We want to stop it, we need to click on the stack name Docker and we stop it. Okay, give it a minute. Okay, now it's stopped. Now we can check it. Okay, if you want to start it, we can start it back again. Okay, start. Okay, so the image is start and ready. You can try to say it again. Okay, now it's we make it running successfully. Okay, so if you have any question, you can comment in my video below. I can help you to deploy any image on the Docker in the next video. Thank you.